Hello and welcome back to MarineMax Cumming, Georgia. My name is Quinn Seagraves and today we're standing aboard a Sea Ray 270 SDX. This is going to be a great family bow rider with a large head and also plenty of storage. So back here in the back we have one of my favorite compartments on the boat. As a boat owner myself, I know that it's always hard to find storage. This is big enough for all of your wakeboards, your tubes, life jackets, and anything else you're planning on carrying with you. You will have the convertible backrest and a drop-down swim step. So this boat not only has plenty of space on the inside, but this will have plenty of space to entertain while you're in the water and on the back platform. So we walk forward, you will notice that this boat is well equipped. You'll have the fusion radio, you'll have the rear transom spray down, as well as an insulated cooler there. You'll have plenty of deep seats and storage underneath any seat that you come to on this boat. You'll have full table options. The SDX is very nice because it's a convertible boat. So if you want to have all of your seating facing forward, you can. And when it comes time to anchor in that cove and entertain, you can flip these back to have a nice U shape throughout your cockpit. Up here at the bow, you will have a 12-inch Simrad, fusion radio system, interior lights, and trim tabs. You will have the option for the pump out head and bow filler cushion. As we move up to the bow, that cushion you just saw in the head compartment will fill in this little nook here. You will have front ski locker, rear ski locker, bow windlass, and bow spray down. So when it comes time to anchor or get in and off the boat, you will be covered on all sides with the spray down. If you have any questions about this Sea Ray 270 SDX or any of the other Sea Ray models, please give us a call. Our number is down in the description below.